Hi friends, good evening. This is day 10 of our watercolor challenge of 31 days in the watercolor month. Okay. So இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா, as I've told yesterday in the video, we are going to draw a simple popsicle, which is again going to teach us about the blending technique as well as the bleeding technique. We are going to use wet on wet technique. ஸோ இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம பார்த்த எல்லாத்தையுமே இட்ஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் அ காம்பினேஷன் மீன்ஸ் வாட் எவர் தி கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஆர்ட் வி டூ ரைட் மீன்ஸ் இன் வாட்டர் கலர் we are going to have these basic things always being done, okay, wet on wet or dry on dry, and the color ratios always the color ratios will be there, okay. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி வந்து நம்ம சிம்பிள் பாப்சிக்கல் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இட்ஸ் நாட் வெரி காம்ப்ளிகேட்டட் ஒன். ஐம் நாட் கோயிங் டு ஹாவ் ஜஸ்ட் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு லைக் 3D அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாத்தையும் பண்ண போகிறதில்ல. மீன்ஸ் 2D or 3D kind of popsicle we are not going to do. We are just going to draw a flat popsicle with the techniques that we have learned so far. சரிங்களா? So I will also cover layering in this. Okay, let's get started. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி நான் யூஸ் பண்ணுற ப்ரஷஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஐ ஜஸ்ட் ஹாவ் திஸ் 10.1 which is of 0 size from Doms. நான் யூஸ் பண்ணதெல்லாம் இட்ஸ் not much high branded things, okay. This is from RTUs and this is 0 size and this is number 2, okay, and we are going to use the same palette that I have. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி காம்பினேஷன் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, அண்ட் ஐம் திங்கிங் ஆஃப் ரெட், that is crimson red, and using yellow and then orange, adding it to the color. So before we start, I'm going to use the wet on wet method as I already told, right? So things that I have here is means the major things water தேவை, நம்மளுக்கு கலர் ஆல்ரெடி இருக்குது. ஸோ the watercolor paper, and this is from the brand Anupam, okay. So Anupam, I have told in the beginning of the challenge that we have started what are the things that we're going to use. So this is an Anupam brand. This is kind of good, okay. இப்போ வரைக்கும் இதான் யூஸ் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கேன். யா, பாப்சிக்கலுக்கு மெயின் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்னா, we are just going to draw the outline first. I'm just taking the crimson red from here, light color, T ratio once again, okay. Just உங்களுக்கு என்ன சைஸில் வேணுமோ வரைஞ்சிக்கோங்க. Means I'm just making this a curved one. It is just an outline. இதுக்கும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா means as you know the ice cream, it does comes in the shape, but நம்ம வெளியே எடுக்கும் போது it will go off with the shapes, right? So இதெல்லாம் எடுத்துகிட்டு வாங்க. I think this is far more better, okay. And add water. நமக்கு அந்த அவுட்லைன் அந்த அளவுக்கு எவிடெண்ட்டாக தெரிய தேவையில்ல. So I'm just adding some more water and blending it. As I previously mentioned, this is a wet on wet technique. So always, as I told, we are going to start with the light color. So just use the tip of the brush alone. This is a bleeding technique that we have used in most of our art, okay. It's one of the same technique. This is going to be very simple, and make sure the paper is quite wet so that you get the bleeding, okay. Just use the tip of the brush, just tapping method, okay. And I'm going to use yellow. Before that, make sure that the places that is at the bottom are kind of very wet so that we get the bleeding effect, okay. There we go. Okay, I'm just tapping it trying to merge the colors. And if you feel you have more kind of yellow, and if you want to make it light, you can just tap it and get the water out of that color. Okay, and if it bleeds to the other area, you can always do that. When it is light color, as I previously mentioned in the previous videos, you can play with the colors. Okay, when it is light. Later we can apply the darker thing however we want, but just go with the lighter colors in the beginning. Next I'm going to use the orange, means mixing crimson red with the same kind of an orange color that I'm getting here. Okay, I'm not sure whether this will be enough, but I will just go it. This is again a tapping method that I'm doing. I'm observing the thing and just putting it here. Okay, if you want to make it bright, we can. So there is no setting in the color means you can use the whatever color that you like. I feel I can add some more red at the top here and there. So that bleeding effect will give, once we tap it right, the water will do the magic. It will get absorbed and give us a nice kind of a texture here and there. Okay, just going to add some more the orange to be some more brighter. So just tap it with the tip of the brush. And once you are okay with this, means I am going to add one more video. Tomorrow it will be on flower. Okay, we are going to learn once again about the flower. And another day we will have a 3D kind of a popsicle done. Okay, so let it dry for a while because we are going to add one more layer. Okay, we'll wait for it to dry. Yeah, now it is completely dry. Okay, we are just going to add one more layer to it, not kind of layer, we're just going to add an effect of thing. Okay, I'm just waiting I'm using this pinpoint brush. Okay, I'm just going to add two more rectangle inside the popsicle. Just going to use the lighter color of the crimson red that we have used. Okay, I'm going to take again the T ratio, maybe lighter than T. Don't have more water in that. And I'm just going to add a line. Just line as of now, just a rectangular line to get an effect of that. And just add some more water, and this is a blending method that I'm going to use. I'm adding more yellow here to get a depth of it. And you can see that we are using the layering method. Okay, do the same thing with one more thing on the other side. And again taking the lighter crimson, it's going to add same kind of effect. Do it here to have the distance and control. Again layering it with some more yellow colors here. Darker version of the orange. It's actually not as an orange, it just comes in brown color. But just tap here and there so that we get a nice effect. I hope you are enjoying this, and if you want to add more, you can add one more layer, but before that apply some water here. Okay, just use the tip of the brush to make this effect. Okay, likewise I'm going to add some more color at the bottom, mixing here with the yellow. And you have to merge it, otherwise it won't look good. This is blending, means just having here and there is okay, but however you should make it even to look like it's got blended with the previous top layer. Okay, now we are going to work on the, I already have colors here, so I'm just using that one. I'm just going to put lines first and then going to paint it. Just leave white here and there. Okay, so it makes a little kind of effect of okay, that's it. Hope you like this video. Try it, and I'm planning to think of coming on live on some of the days. And if you have painted something, you can also send to me in WhatsApp to if you want any feedback. I can always do it. If you need any other guidance, please let me know. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and be in touch. Okay, I hope you like this one. Stay in touch. Thank you. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.